Matapos ngang ilabas ni Christopher Min ang di umano ay patong-patong na kaso o isinampa sa aktres na si Bea Alonzo ng dating driver nito, sa DOLE ay nagsalita na nga din ang abogado o ang law firm ng aktres na si Bea Alonzo. Mula sa statement ni Attorney Joey Garcia, legal counsel of Ms. Bea Alonzo, the timing of Mr. De Los Reyes' filing of the labor case is highly suspect, since he was made a witness to one of the respondents among the criminal cases we filed, not to mention him being a lover as admitted. Then, the intent behind said filing and the timeliness of such filing are too obvious not to be noticed. His acknowledgement of being involved as a lover clearly manifests his bias and undermines his credibility, which yet again puts into question or doubt the true intent behind his and her lover respondent legal maneuvers. For the record, Mr. De Los Reyes only served as a service driver of the family and only for a short period of 3 months. He was not even assigned as Bea's personal driver for her professional engagements. Thus, his claims seem far-fetched, unreasonable, if not unrealistic. It's nothing but a pure harassment case, a desperate attempt to sponge off an obvious act capitalizing on the criminal case. Nag-react naman ang mga anonymous commentator dito mula sa Fashion Police at narito ang kanilang naging say. Naka-agency daw yung driver, so kung may problema sa bayaran, it's between driver and agency. Kung hindi nagbigay ng tamang bayad yung Bea scam sa agency for the driver, edi sana yung agency ang naghabol kay Bea. Say naman ng isa, correct. May classes din sana ang mga kasambahay tungkol sa professionalism na turuan sila ng pag may problema, alam nila kung saan or kanino magsusumbong. So narito naman ang say ng mga netizen pa. Anila, that's not how employment agency works. His employment agreement including salary and benefit is only between him and the agency, not Bea. Hindi naman siguro tangayang sina Bea para hindi magbayad ng tama sa staff nila. Nope, it's only between the driver and his agency. Say naman ng ilang netizen pa, nope. Lahat ng kumukuha sa agency ay may undertaking or solidarity liability agreement na in case of non-payment of benefits, solidarily liable sila. Kumbaga, hindi pwede magtrabaho o maagrabyado ang employee sa pagtuturuan ng agency and contractor kung sino ang magbabayad. Wak. True. Liable si B kung hindi siyang nagbayad sa agency. If ever settle naman lahat, it is bet her and agency. So, agency yung may pananagutan dyan. Say naman ng isang netizen, mukhang madadagdagan na naman daw ang kaso ni Christopher Min. Sana nga daw maparusahan na itong chismosang talakera. Say naman ng isa, this is obviously a shakedown trying to extort her cause they know she has money. Kaya nga may agency para walang sakit sa ulo yung employer. Doon ka sa agency nakapirma ng contract. Alam ko kasi nag-agency ako. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.